ChatGPT3 is a large language model developed by OpenAI that allows automatic generation of text based on an initial input. In this video, we'll explore how to use ChatGPT3 to create high-quality content quickly and efficiently. ChatGPT3 is a transformer-like language model pre-trained on a large amount of text on the internet. With this training, the model is able to generate coherent and plausible text in response to initial input. To use ChatGPT3, you need to log in at the interface generation provided by OpenAI. Once logged in, either by email with various social accounts such as Google, it will be possible to enter an initial input and automatically generate the desired text. It is important to note that ChatGPT3 works best with inputs of adequate length and that the text generated can have variable quality depending on the input provided. Such a model allows it to be integrated into different fields and areas, as with the right input information it is possible to expand the conversation with this AI. Generation of product descriptions for e-commerce. By entering the basic information of product, we can obtain a better and more in-depth description of the same. Creation of blog articles, a function appreciated by many and which allows you to have a basic structure of the article to which we will then add, modify and edit the same to make it better. Generation of automatic responses for chatbots, very useful for obtaining a wide range of responses to be pasted into the chatbots. Advertising copywriting is also excellent for marketing, as it can take advantage of its skills to help us create advertising and marketing in seconds, with different nuances for every type of need. Despite its great potential, ChatGPT3 has some limitations. In particular, the model cannot generate original content and cannot wholly replace human creativity. Also, the template may cause implausible or inappropriate text in some cases. The secret plugin for ChatGPT3. Now is time to talk about a recent plugin for this chat that allows you to manage models and templates just a click away, allowing us to create content and more depending on the model chosen. The browser extension Apron, which indicates iPrompt Manager, which integrates within ChatGPT3, showing us the relative interface to quickly access the various prompts already created. After installing the plugin in the browser, that can be done in one click. Starting from the top, we see two menus, one for the public prompts and the other for those created by us, own prompts. Below we find other drop-down sub-menus from where we can choose the type of topic and also the activity, and among other things, we can also sort them based on popularity. Once we have chosen the model for the prompt, we just have to enter the keyword or text we want to process. After a few seconds, a splendid table is generated where the data is all organized. ChatGPT is an important tool for automatic content generation and can be particularly useful for speeding up text creation. However, it is important to use the model with knowledge of the facts and to keep in mind its limitations. The same rule also applies to Apron, as the prompts we find are not always useful or allow us to obtain an acceptable result.